Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about what are the data analytic capabilities of a virtual data room. Virtual data rooms primarily focus on providing secure document storage, sharing and collaboration feature. However, some advanced VDR platforms may offer additional data analytic capabilities to provide insight and intelligence related to document usage and user activities. While the specific data analytic capability may vary between providers, here are some common features you might find in VDR. Number 1. User activity tracking. VDRs often maintain detailed logs of user activities within the platform. This includes information on who accessed which document when access them and what action they perform, such as viewing, downloading or modifying files. These activities log can be useful for auditing purpose and understanding user engagement with shared document. Number 2. Document analytics. VDRs may offer analytic features that provide insight to document usage pattern. This can include metrics such as the number of times a document has viewed or downloaded, which section of document received the most attention, and how user interacted with the content. Document analytics can help administrators understand document relevance, user performance, and overall agreements levels. Number 3. Reporting and dashboards. Some VDR platforms provide reporting and dashboard capabilities to present data analytics in visual and digestible format. Administrator can generate custom reports that summarize document access and user activities and other relevant metrics. Dashboards offer a consolidated view of key analytics, allowing administrators to monitor threats. Number 4. Data room performance metrics. Advanced VDRs may provide performance metrics related to overall usage of effectiveness of virtual data room. Number 5. Security and compliance analytics. VDRs with robust security feature might offer analytics related to data security and compliance. This can include monitoring and reporting on user access pattern, detecting potential security breaches, and ensuring compliance with privacy regulation. So it is important to note that